Hello everyone, welcome to Gunta's Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare healthy Ragi Idli. For that we require 1 cup of ragi flour, half a cup of suji, half a cup of curd, mix it well with whisker, half teaspoon of salt, and half cup of water. Add some water to make sure there are no lumps until you get a idli consistency. Keep it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add half teaspoon of baking soda and mix it in one direction. Now the idli batter is ready. Take the idli plate, apply some oil or butter to it. Now goes the idli batter. Once you're done with it, place them into an idli cooker. For 1 whistle. And there you go. Healthy Ragi Idli is ready, and serve them hot. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Gunta's Kitchen.